Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you about how to insert intersection on profile viewers. So we have a lot of alignment on this drawing, and so also profile viewers, and so how to create intersection between alignment on profile view. So I click VT tool and click add label intersection, and the form show it on this drawing, and click select alignment. I select on alignment on this drawing, and so click support elevation label style and marker style, and I click accept. So we can see on screen we have intersection label mark on profile view. So I will to set up intersection on this drawing.